Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this super short tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the text color for text in your Notion pages and databases really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to your Notion workspace and select the page or database from the left panel here. And after that, go through your page and highlight the text you would like to apply the color for. So as you can see, I applied the blue color to that text here. So let me go with that text below. Highlight it, and after that you will see a list of these tabs here at the top above the text. So what you want to do is simply left click on the text color icon here, or use the shortcut Control Left Shift H, and after that you will see a list of applicable text as well as background colors. So we don't want to apply any background color now, but you can do that of course if you like. But simply the text color, let's switch from the default text, which is white, to let's say purple. And as you can see, the text color has been instantaneously applied, and that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.